How to bridge Polygon to Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet first. Then once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the browser icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here you need to use the search bar in the top and you need to simply search for Portal Bridge. So Portal Bridge is a website that you can use in order to bridge from Polygon to Solana. So after typing it, it will redirect you on the official website of Portal. Now over here in the from section, you need to simply select the Polygon network. So you just have to simply search for a Polygon network. If you are not able to find in the list, you need to tap on the plus icon and then you need to search and tap Polygon. Then you need to select the token that is based on the Polygon network. So you need to select that as well. For this video, I'm going to select Polygon. Then in the next network, you need to select Solana, and after selecting Solana, you need to select that particular token which you want to bridge. Let's say you want to bridge Solana. Now you need to tap on the connect option in order to connect your Phantom wallet with it. Then you will be able to see the bridge option. So you need to simply tap on the bridge option after entering the amount. Then you need to follow further instructions in order to complete your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you will be able to bridge from Polygon to Solana. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.